And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana, and today I have this really pretty water wave wig unit sent from Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the inside of the wig cap construction. This wig does not have any combs on the side. It's only one in the back. However, it's very secure, and I can definitely tell that this is a upgraded or updated 5x5 glueless wig. So it did come with this elastic band, which I think is definitely necessary when using any glueless wig units. You're going to definitely want to wear those. I am very much against elastic bands for my frontal wig units. Y'all know this because I say it all the time, but for my glueless wigs it is very necessary. So I'm just showing you guys the wig packaging. I feel like they changed it up a little bit with this like little neon bag, iridescent bag, so that's why I showed it. But for this hair video, you guys, I'm literally just like prepping my hair. This is super quick. I feel like if I wasn't really doing a hair video, this wig would have been on in like 5 minutes. So it's super quick and super easy. I didn't have to do much to this hair video or this, you know, this wig in general to make it look good, and you guys would definitely see that. So if you like the convenience of like glueless wigs and like wigs that are pretty much already pre-made and pre-done for you, you should definitely check this one out. I have reviewed a lot of glueless wig units, you guys, and I'm really big on how they fit around my ear. I hate when my ear bends when I put on these glueless wig units. So whatever it is that this company upgraded their cap construction with, my ear no longer bends. So I'm not going to say that it has like a C shape around the ear or anything like that. However, they do have it to where it is comfortable around your ear. So I think a lot of companies should definitely, you know, get onto that, because it's very uncomfortable for your ear to bend, you guys. So I don't know, maybe it's just me. Let me know in the comments if you guys hate the fact that your ear bends and it kind of like hurts your ear. After a while you're like, you have a sore ear. So yeah, other than that, you guys, that is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and let this video play out, and I am going to be doing chit-chatting with you guys as well as I like, you know, fluff out my hair. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so as you guys can see, I literally just put my wig unit on. For the glueless wig units, I do love to put the elastic bands in there because I feel like that's how you're going to actually get a really flat install and make sure that your like wig is really stuck to your head. Especially when it's glueless, you want that extra security. Pull it on the wig so that it can lay flat. So for my girls who like really love glueless wigs and would like to take on and off their wigs at night and things of that such, and like switch it up, highly recommend glueless wig units. However, y'all know that I am a you know, I'm a frontals girl. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I did go in and curl define my hair and activate the curls and that such. So highly recommend you guys do this when you get your wig straight out of the box. Curl define your hair. I always get questions about you know, how my hair comes out so fluffy, and why my hair doesn't look like other YouTubers. And I don't use product on my hair, you guys. When I do my hair reviews, they're really straight to the point, and I like to give the naturalness or show the naturalness of the hair instead of putting a whole bunch of product in it to manipulate the curls and things of that such. So I don't like doing that, and I also just like the fluffy big hair look, effortless look. So maybe I'll use product if that is the look that I'm going for, but 99.9% of the time it is not. So hopefully somebody who's just kind of like randomly looking at my hair videos catches this hair video to know like I don't use product in my hair. So you can clearly just pull your hair out to make it even fluffier. But you don't want to really do it too much because this is kind of like a water wave style. So, you know, you pull it out too much, you're going to like lose the actual definition of the hair. So I would just recommend that you guys kind of like fluff it out, not all the way down to the, you know, but just fluff it out just a little bit to get it where it's going. And then, yeah. So that's it. That's all for that. And then I can of course use some baby hairs for this wig unit. However, I do think that it looks absolutely fine. This is a new wig. I think this is like their updated Glueless Wig units, you guys. So you should definitely try them out. I'm not mad at this at all. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go in and hot comb this top because I did have to make my part longer. And I'm thinking about doing baby hairs, but I don't really want to be completely honest with you guys. I'm okay with how this looks, which is actually never really the case. But this is a really good wig unit, and I have to say that it's a really good wig unit. Down to the fit of it, even the ear tabs here, as you guys could see, my ear is not bending. And y'all know, if you watch my hair videos, I have a really big pet peeve of putting these wigs on when they're glueless and my ear bends. I hate that. It's not my cup of tea, and I always call the companies out in my hair videos when my ears are like down here. I'm just like, who is this wig cap for? Just doesn't take that much effort for this wig unit, you guys. Just make sure that you curl define it, and that's pretty much it. It does have a pretty deep parting space, as you guys could see. Goes up to the top of my head, and then I am going to show you guys how far you can part this wig unit, and that is probably how deep I will go with the parting. If you go any deeper, you guys, you will hit the tracks. So